Dear students, today I will be discussing with you the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ramdas Ji, whose Agman Divas or Guru Parab falls on the 2nd November 2020. Regarding him, there is one line, Tan Tan Ramdas Gur, Jin Sirya Tine Savarya. The life of the fourth Sikh Guru can be divided into three parts. First, from birth till the meeting with the third Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji. Second, up till the becoming of the fourth Guru. Then the third, from Gurgadi to the end. It was when Thakur Das Sodhi of Lahore married to Jaswanti Ji, and one son was born out of their union, that is Hardas Ji Sodhi. And Hardas Ji Sodhi's son was the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ramdas Ji, who was born at Lahore, Chuna Mandi. This town Lahore is mentioned twice in Guru Granth Sahib. Firstly, it was mentioned by the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, when Babur attacked Lahore. And second time, it was third Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, mentioned about the town Lahore. Various scholars like Kesar Singh Chibbar talks about one sister and one brother of the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ramdas Ji. Guru Ramdas Ji was born in 1534 at Lahore. At that time, the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, was 65 years old. And the second Sikh Guru, Guru Angad Dev Ji, was 30 years old. The third Sikh Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, was 55 years old. This shows when Guru Ramdas Ji was born, the first three Gurus were alive. And the first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, was at Kartarpur at that time. And Guru Angad Dev Ji was also at Kartarpur at that time. And Amar Das Ji, the third Sikh Guru, he was on the pilgrimages. His father's name was Thakur Hardas Ji Sodhi. The word Thakur is mentioned in Guru Granth Sahib. His mother's name is Mata Daya Kaur Ji. And somewhere it is also mentioned Anup Devi Ji. His childhood name was Bhai Jetha Ji. Nowhere the word Jetha is mentioned. Neither Bhai Gurdas Ji nor Bhai Nandlal Ji in his book Ganjnama never mentioned about Bhai Jetha Ji. Guruji was 2 years old when his mother died. And in 1540, when he was 6 years old, his father also died. He became an orphan. And he started selling the pungarniya in the streets of Lahore. No one from his family helped him. Then his maternal grandmother took Guruji to Basarke near Amritsar. Third Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, was born at this village only. And the maternal parents of the fourth Guruji also lived here. When fourth Guruji visited Basarke with his maternal grandmother, Guru Amar Das Ji by that time left Basarke and went to Khadur Sahib, to the second Sikh Guru, Guru Angad Dev Ji. One day, the third Guruji came back to Basarke and Guruji visited the house of the maternal grandmother of the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, for the mourning. She said, "My daughter and my son-in-law died, and there is no one to look after this child." Guruji said, "We are establishing a town, that is Goindwal Sahib, on the bank of the river Byas. When it will be set up, you come over there." Now comes the second phase of Guruji at Goindwal, where he spent 21 years. He served the third Guruji for the 2 decades. And he was here married to the younger daughter of the third Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, that is Bibi Bhani Ji. And his 3 sons, Baba Prithvi Chand, Baba Mahandev, and Guru Arjan Dev Ji, were born at Goindwal Sahib. Even he get the Gurgaddi at Goindwal Sahib only. And he served the third Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, for 2 decades. That is why it is said, "Jin sevya tin paya maan." The third phase is, since the Gurgaddi till the Jyoti Jot, he was Jyoti Jot or died at Goindwal Sahib only. Guruji, after getting the Gaddi, composed the Gurbani in 30 ragas, 19 ragas. He took of first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and 11 ragas he himself added, and total it is 30 ragas. Regarding him, it is said, "Baitha Sodhi Padshah." Some Sodhis of Lahore visited Goindwal Sahib and said some awkward words. For your information, maximum words Sodhi is used in Guru Granth Sahib. None else surname is used in the Guru Granth Sahib. In 1577, fourth Guru, Guru Ramdas Ji, he purchased the land. At that time, the Mughal emperor was Akbar, who used to visit the shrine at Goindwal Sahib. Guruji, on that land, founded one town, that is Chak Ramdaspura or Ramdaspura. He built 2 sarovars or tanks. One is Santokhsar and other is Ramsar. He also set up one bazaar, that is Guru Ka Bazaar. And he also started the system of preparing the handwritten gutkas. Because of some squabbles, the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ramdas Ji, sent the fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, to Lahore, from where the fifth Guruji wrote 4 letters. And in one of the letters, he wrote very nice shlok, "Ik kadi na milte te kaljug hota." As there were squabbles, too much squabbles at Ramdaspura, fourth Guruji asked Guru Arjan Dev Ji and Baba Buddha Ji that he want to go to Goindwal Sahib. At Goindwal Sahib, Guruji met Mohan and Mohri. He took bath, made a prayer, and died in 1581 at Goindwal Sahib. Before his death, he asked the fifth Guruji to complete the tank at Ramsar. And he also advised him to lead the Panth. At the death of the Guruji, one Mathura Pat said these lines, "Devpuri mahe gayo aap, Parmeshwar bhayo." Thank you very much.